You're at Nellis Air Force Base, Nevada. We have a myriad of missions here, but most of them involve high-end tactics, techniques, and procedures and advanced combat training.
We train just about every Air Force pilot, and actually partner pilots come through here for red flag and green flag exercises to get their air-to-air and surface-to-air combat training before they head downrange. We're one of the busiest bases in the United States, if not the busiest.
So the Logistics Readiness Squadron provides logistics support to the entire installation, which includes Creech Air Force Base and the Nevada Test and Training Range. We provide fuel support, vehicle support, equipment support to the entire installation.
Our mission here is to pull the parts that the maintainers need in order to maintain their aircraft, their helicopter, vehicles, whatever the asset happens to be.
As far as supply goes, we provide logistical support for the HH-60s here at Nellis. The majority of the assets that we receive from DLA are the consumable parts, which are bolts, nuts, washers, screws, any type of the little bits and pieces that we issue out from our bench stock.
We provide fuel support to the warfighter. We roughly go through about 58 million gallons of fuel a year. At any one given time, we store 2.7 million gallons here on base. During a typical red flag exercise here, we'll issue anywhere between 500,000 to 600,000 gallons a day. Throughout a 3-week period, we'll go through almost 7 million gallons of fuel. That equates to about 39,000 aircraft sorties a year. We'll coordinate with the DLA Energy Supply Planners to do our annual forecast and then work with them on a daily, if not weekly basis to project the upcoming receipts when needed. If it wasn't for DLA Energy, we wouldn't be here. They actually own all the fuel. We're just stewards of their fuel.
I actually don't know what we would do without DLA. It would be a significant workload increase if we had to procure all of those items ourselves. It would also, I'm convinced, cost the DoD significantly more if we couldn't leverage the buying power of buying all of our, for example, fuel at one price as we do through DLA.
It's very critical that DLA is responsive to the assets that we order, because without these small consumable parts, we cannot fly missions. We cannot do combat and rescue missions, and we can't even get the aircraft in the air.
I would just like to say thank you, because the work that goes on at DLA and at the item manager level to make sure that we have the right items and that there is an avenue and a venue to get items that are potentially out of stock or not being manufactured anymore is a huge benefit to us, and it allows us to continue to focus on doing what we're tasked to do here, because they do such a great job taking care of that for us.